Hi guys, how are you? I am not shy to look pregnant now because you know this video is a pregnancy shoot video, so no packaging, at least just yet. I just got to my sister's house. I'm about to start doing my makeup so that I can look on fleek for this pregnancy shoot. I went ahead and I took out my Didi last night. I put my hair in this slick down gel that you guys will see. That's why I have a scarf on. PG on the other hand only just remembered they needed to barb his head this morning. I'm judging you. So I had to find my way here while they went to barb his hair, and you meet us here. At least I can use the time to also do my makeup. About to get into it, sha. I have 3 looks. My sister is a darling, guys. Talkman is a darling. If you're not following her YouTube channel, go and follow her. Now I want to give her free publicity because of this thing she has done to me and my baby. So I had a photo shoot, you know, a picture in mind, but I couldn't find that dress anywhere. And then my mother-in-law gave me one dress that could pass. I'm like, okay, I will use this one instead. And on getting to Talkman's house, guys, guess what? She just brought out the dress. Tada! I bought it for you. I'm like, oh my god, oh my god. So I even have 4 if I'm going to use the other one. Anyway, I am going to stop talking. I'm going to start doing this makeup. I look so pregnant. I am 31 weeks, exactly 31 weeks pregnant today. And we have 9 more weeks to go by the grace of God to meet this baby, this beautiful baby that has been cooking in my belly for the past 7.5 months now. All right, guys.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
Okay, we're going downstairs now to shoot the first look. I love it. Oh, thank you for that. Like, I totally love it. But I need to touch up my face. I'm sweating. Horrible. And it's so good. So we're looking for this bone. We couldn't get it, but eventually my sister came through and she's like, oh, I have this one you can manage. So that's what we're going to work with. Outfit number 2. Look at somebody's daddy, somebody's father. Looking looking peng. Somebody's here. And of course, what are you doing?
Hey,
Is it the shoots? Is it the shoots that is making you do that? Like
Hey, come on. Okay. Sorry, I have to join.
Our large jota, those are the large jotas of our family. Anyway, yeah, so we're going downstairs now for outfit check. I want to wear heels, guys. Nobody is discouraging me. I like it. Yes, I want to wear heels. Doctor, come on, I need to do this hair. This part is looking somehow.
Think about it.
I want to wear heels. Anyway, what earrings did you bring for me? Okay, let's try it. So we've changed the earrings and this look so much better, and obviously it's different from the first one, so I think it's better. Look at that glow. Like, I love this look. Oh my god. So I think I just gelled this hair yesterday. Why are you guys laughing at me? or rubber, yeah. I'll not get that sense. And once I smile, my nose will just rise. Let me show you guys full outfit. So I bring my heels. How do you feel? Is it my force to do that? That's how cool. Me that I cannot go body me. What do you want me to do right now? Come, Joe. Let me ask how you feel. Oh, all shaved in it. All shaved and clean in it. How do you feel?
I saw you got Tony on the
Alright guys, I'll go for a shoot. Somebody that will call to come and do photo shoot. I don't know if it's photo shoot you came to do or you came to dance. But you look beautiful. I shall should be. That's my own. Don't fall down because of photo shoot. Come and do outfit check for me. This is like the only shoes I can wear now that are fat enough for my leg.
These are
shoes now.
The shoes?
So I got this dress from No Free Ad. If you know this, you selling this dress, come and give me free ones. I'm kidding. I got from Tolulope maternity. This ones I got from Kenya when we traveled. What else? Topper just borrowed me this one. I also got this from Kenya. The innerwear is maternity style. I got it from Tolulope as well. The hair from God. Face beads bedazzled by Tops, of course. Hair extensions. I don't know where Topper brought from. I'm borrowing it just for the sake of this shoot. But that's about it. That's what I do. Look too. Let me to do my own circle. Hey people. So we're done with 2 outfits. Personal one for me and then the combined one with PG. We're on our way. We're going to make a stopover to shop and then we're still supposed to film a video today even though it's already 4:30, but I hope we're able to. If not, I'm going to have to find time to do it over the weekend. Aside that, it was a really productive shoot. We're supposed to have 3 outfits. The third one, which is meant to be our home, cannot hold today. As it is, it cannot, if we want to be realistic with ourselves, because it's a new backdrop and then cutting it, setting it up and all of that will take time. Plus Tokwe, who is our photographer / makeup artist, has an appointment for 4. In fact, she's even 30 minutes. This is / all around correct guy. She's 30 minutes late because of us, so she can't come with us to the house for that. So she was like, another day we'll probably do that. This is my wide nose. Or maybe if we can do it at home, fine. If not, maybe on the random day I'll just do it with my own makeup ability, because it's not like a postable picture too. It's all this show your belly. What are you saying? It's all this show your belly shoots. Anyway, what are you looking at? Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it will be a really short video, but I just wanted to show you guys the behind the scene. I'll put the edited pictures. Oops, Tucker says she will edit some of them for us, so I'll put the edited pictures after this. If you're not following us on Instagram, what are you sleeping on? Because I'm going to also post some pictures, obviously, I think before this video is out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, join Team Solutions, and now baby ADEJUMO, join our crew. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I